Need help with plumbing in East Rutherford, Woodridge, Rutherford, Lyndhurst, or Nutley? 911 Sewer and Drain of East Rutherford has you covered. From emergency plumber needs to regular plumber services, we've got your back. Whether it's a water heater repair or a pesky leak, our 24/7 plumbers are ready to tackle anything. Toilet or garbage disposal repair? Consider it done. We're your reliable Plumbers Near Me choice for any drain or plumbing issue. Don't wait around. Call now for a quote and get your plumbing back on track.